This workout bench was really easy to put together. It came in the box. I was able to do it myself. You really just need to just put some pins in it and add the top and add the little feet guy. But let me just tell you, it feels really sturdy. It's a pretty good bench. This seat can move up and down, and this goes up and all the way down as well. So you can go all the way down, and you can even bring it back. So you've got so many options with this bench. You can easily use the foot things here to do sit-ups. So you got that there. You can sit up. You could do shoulder presses, chest presses. I mean, this bench is like an all-in-one. You wouldn't need any other bench. This could handle all of your needs. And it's by Lusper. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. This is a great addition to my gym. It's actually in the garage, but it's too cold today, so I didn't shoot this out there. But great addition to my gym. And it comes in my favorite color, which is orange. So most of you guys know I wear orange. So really cute, really nice gym, really nice gym bench, and very, very, very sturdy. I feel pretty secure with this one.